This activity which is given. So the question is height is given in centimeter, number of girls. We have to find the median height. Okay. So the data is given in the less than type. It is not given in the class intervals. So first we have to do is change data in the class interval form. How to do that, right? Less than 140. Less than 140 means 0 to 140. Okay. So 0 to 140 we have wrote the same, less than 140, nothing matters. You may also write it 0 to 140. Okay. So less than 140, and remember here number of girls is given the communicative frequency, not the normal frequency. Here we will take it as a communicative frequency, CF. Okay. So I have written the same. You may check 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51. I have made the column of communicative frequency and wrote the same. Okay. Then less than 140, first column. After that it is given less than 145, and less than 145 obviously which means 0 to 145, but the class interval which we have made earlier was less than 140. So here less than 145 means that 140 to 145. This will be the second group. So 145 to 150. Then again less than 150 is given, we will write 150 to 155. Okay, similarly that goes on till we have reached less than 165. So 160 to 165. Okay, now let us talk about frequency, how frequency came. So like that, so in order to find frequency, let us take one example. See, there is one table. Okay, frequency is given, class interval class interval is also given, but I have not taken for as example only. So frequency is given 1, 2, 3. Okay, how to find communicative frequency? We know that here 1 remains the same, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. Okay, and its total, the frequency total will be equal to the last communicative frequency. Okay, as you can see 6 6. So now we have communicative frequency. How to find the frequency? So here we have done 1 plus 2 is equals to communicative frequency is equals to 3, right? Now what we will do, now we will do 3 minus 1 will be 2, which will come here. Okay, this will remain the same. 3 minus 2 3 minus 1 will be 2. What we have done earlier, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, right? Now we are doing opposite of it. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. We get the frequency. So similarly 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Okay, so similarly we will apply here also. Communicative frequency is given. Now we will subtract 4 from 11. Then the answer we will get will be 7. Then 29 minus 11, 18. 40 minus 29, 11. 46 minus 46, 51 minus 46, 5. So what we got is the frequency. What we have got is the frequency. Okay, so as I have told you, the communicative frequency of the last class interval will be equal to the sum of frequency. You can say 51 as a sum of frequency, and the last class size communicative frequency is 51 also. Okay, so now how to find we have been asked to find median. How to find median? The formula for finding median is lower limit plus n by 2 minus communicative frequency divided by frequency into class size. H does not stand for height, it stands for class size. Okay, so now let us see what is n. First of all, n is the sum of all frequencies. Sum of all frequencies here 51. So 51. Now what we will do, we will divide it by 2. Always we will divide it by 2. So 51 divided by 2 we will get 25.5. After that we will have to see, now 25.5 is n by 2. Okay, n by 2 is equals to 25.5. So 25.5. Now what we have to do, we have to find here a communicative frequency in which this number lies. in which this number lies. Okay, so I will find that 29, right? 11 to 29, this 25.5 will lie. Okay, 29 to 40 इसमें नहीं लाई करेगा 25.5, वो किस में लाई करेगा 11 टू 29 में। तो सबसे बड़ा है ना 29, इसको हम ले लेंगे हमारा मीडियन क्लास। ओके, so here it is median class. Okay, then now we have to so median class we have got. Now what is L in this median class will be lower limit will be 145, right? In a class interval, this is lower limit, this is upper limit. I repeat, this is lower limit and this is upper limit. So here the lower limit is 145 in this model class which we have selected. And how we have selected? N by 2, 25.5, it lies between 11 to 29. 29 is the greatest number, so we have took as a median class. Now what we have done, now we have taken L as 145. Okay, L as 145. Then what we have, L plus N by 2. Okay, N by 2 we have found, what was that? 25.5. So you may check 145. Okay, 25.5. Okay, then what next says minus commutative frequency. Commutative frequency किसकी? The class which I have taken as a modern class, that's commutative frequency is 29. So what we will do, 25. So 29 के जो ऊपर वाला नंबर है ना, just that will be taken as the CF. CF means commutative frequency. Remember this, this is very important. जो आपने मीडियम क्लास लिया है उसके ऊपर वाला जो नंबर है that will be taken as commutative frequency. So n minus 2, n divided by 2 minus CF. CF here is 11. Okay, so 11 we have put it here. Okay, so this step is also clear. Then it is divided by frequency. अब frequency क्या होगी? frequency जो आपने मीडियम क्लास ली है उसके सामने, उसके साथ में क्या frequency है उसकी? 18. इस मीडियम क्लास की क्या frequency है? 18. Okay, so we have taken frequency 18. After that frequency is 18. This step I have explained. Now how I have taken class size H5. How? So what is class size? First of all, class size means the difference between the lower limit and upper limit. So take any class interval because all are same. For example, I took this 155 upper limit minus lower limit. 155 minus 150 is 5. Similarly, you can check in this also. 160 minus 155 will be 5. So class size will be 5. Then it's all about the calculation you do. Okay, the main explanation is I have told you already. Okay, so class size is 5. Now what we have done, 145 plus, first we have subtracted this and multiplied it with 5. The answer came 72.5 divided by 18 as it is. Then I will divide this first. The answer I will get will be somewhat like this. Then I will plus it with 145. Then the answer will be 149.03. So here the median of this question is 149.3. Here is the explanation. So let's summarize it. The question was given in the less than type. We have converted into class interval. How to class interval? Less than 140, then 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165. ठीक है, so here number of calls will be taken as a commutative frequency. We have put same to same. How to find frequency? 11 minus 4 आपकी frequency आ जाएगी 29 minus 11. Similarly, okay, we will get the frequency. After frequency, what we have to do? You have to find the sum of all frequency. That is 51. Then divided by 2. You will get 25.5. Then put in this value. Okay, 25.5 lies between 11 and 29. 29 will be taken as a median class. And then n minus 2 we have already find. CF will be its upper 11, frequency इसके साथ वाली 18 into class size. H here is class size, not height. So class size will be after subtracting upper limit minus lower limit, you will get the class size. Then it's all about your calculation. So thank you.